Hi Cumberland. Next week, we begin Remote Learning 2.0. And Cumberland teachers have a lot of great lessons and activities planned for you. 3rd and 4th grade students will be using Schoology to do lessons and activities with teacher feedback and classroom meetups. You can use Schoology on any internet-enabled phone, tablet, or computer by going to a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If you are working on a tablet or phone, you can download the Schoology app from your App Store. Today, I'll be walking you through logging in on a computer. There are 2 main ways to log into Schoology. You can go directly to Metro Nashville's Schoology page by going to mnps.schoology.com. You can also log into Clever before going to Schoology. Many of our students are familiar with using Clever to log into apps that we use at school already, like iReady. You can log into Clever and click through to Schoology, and you'll have access to other apps as well. Your student will be using their username and password. If you need help with that, please email your classroom teacher, or you can email me at john.goddard@mnps.org. First, let's go directly to the MNPS Schoology page. I will go to Google Chrome, and I am going to type in mnps.schoology.com. It will take you through to log in with their Microsoft email and password. Again, if you need that, please email your classroom teacher or me. I'm going to log in with a student's account here so you can see exactly what a student would see when logging in to Schoology. All right, so if you look at the Schoology page, your student will find most of their coursework in their grade level homeroom. So I'm going to click over to 3rd homeroom. And on Monday, when remote learning starts, their materials will be right here. Now let's try logging in using Clever. Again, I will go to a web browser. And to get to Metro Nashville's Clever homepage, I will type in clever.com/in/MNPS. All right, once you're here, this will look familiar to students, but they will be clicking Login with Office 365. And the process will be very much the same. Email and password. Once you are logged into Clever, you will be able to go directly to Schoology. You can click the black and white Schoology app, and it will take you to the same page. Remember, courses and 3rd homeroom. When you log in with Clever, you also have access to other apps that your student may want to use, like iReady and iExcel. Thank you for watching, Cumberland. Feel free to email me at john.goddard@mnps.org.